So don't worry, we'll start from basics over here. You can simply
Yeah.
say start from zero. So
Mhm.
first thing you can the meaning of full stack. So do you have
Right.
any idea about tell me after learning, after completing this course, you will be eligible for building any type of application. Basically, we will build here what? We will build here web application. What will build?
Web application.
Web application. Okay, types like you can just say some applications called here web application. Okay, some applications called here desktop application. Okay, some applications called here what web application you can say, desktop application you can say, Android application you can say. Android means what? Whatever application you after completing this our full stack course, our full stack session, we will be able to build any web application like your any e-commerce site. You can take the example like your Amazon.com. Okay, you can build a copy of this Amazon.com also, or Flipkart you have, or Miso you have. Means what? We have different types of application. Any type of application you can take the example and you can build over there. I hope it is clear. So first thing is here.
The concept of the Java, core Java.
Okay, so don't worry. We'll start from basics over here. You can simply say start from zero. So first thing you can see on your screen, I have written one word, one sentence. What is that?
Yeah.
Java
Yeah.
full stack.
Java full stack. Yeah.
Right? Yes.
Yes.
So first thing we need to understood about that what? What's the meaning of full stack? We'll learn about the Java also, but before this, we will explain here what we'll understood here. What's the meaning of full stack? So do you have any idea about full stack?
Not really.
Okay. Okay, don't worry. I will explain here. Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
So, first tell me after learning, after completing this course, you will be eligible for building any type of application. Basically, we will build here what? We will build here web application. What will build?
Web application.
Web application. Okay. In these days, today, or in our real life, everything is dependent on any application over there. Means what? Software. Not everything you can say, but most of the things is dependent on the application over here. Okay. So do you know what's the meaning of application here?
Application like what we use on the daily basis, like any app.
Yes, app, you know, no? App is short, but full form of app is what? Application.
Application.
Got it?
Right.
Yes.
Yeah.
In your daily life, if you you know one thing here, one thing is very interesting. You now started the learning Java full stack here, but before today, you already used all this technology in your daily life. Now you are also using, okay, in your daily life, every day you are using all these concepts. Now you will tell, sir, how I am using this. You know, how you are using all these things?
Like any bank app or these things, everything is developed on Java, right?
Yeah. Means what? If you are using any social media application, okay, social media application or any application you are using, you have the mobile phone, so you are using the social media application or UPI management application over there, like banking application, you can just say like PhonePe, Google Pay, or any particular bank application if you are using over there. Okay, any type of application you are using, at least you are using mobile phone over there. Then also you can say you are using all these concepts over here. Whatever you will learn in your daily life, already you are using all those things. I hope it is clear. Okay, so now see what's the meaning of application here. We have different types of application. Application which simply you can say this is a software which will solve your real life problems. Got it this point or not? Using this applications, what we are doing, we are solving only and only our real life problems over there. You can take any example. Suppose social media application, you can take the example of Instagram, you can take the example of Facebook, you can take the example of Twitter that is now becomes X over here. Okay, you can take the example of WhatsApp. So many types of application we have. And now you just tell me why you are using this application here. Instagram for only entertainment. For only entertainment you are using? No. Using Instagram, you are doing so many things. You are running your business also. Okay, now some people creating his accounts on Instagram, and who has the followers, who has the views, they are earning from Instagram also. Understood this or not? Understood now?
Yes, understood.
Yes. So now just tell me what kind of problem you are solving using WhatsApp application here.
Like we can connect, to the people if they are far away from us also.
Yeah. Means what? You can from here, you can chatting.
Yeah.
Okay. You can call over there. You can video call over there. You can send the documents over here. So many things you can do over there. But now just think about that. If you don't have WhatsApp or you don't have any application over here, then how you were solving all these problems? Before that, you know very well you are sending the letter. Okay, na? Before all these application or all mobile phones. Then with this process, it's taking too much time over there. Okay. Suppose any emergency, any urgent message is there for anyone. If you will send through the letter, send through the post over there, it will take at least 3 days or sometimes 1 week also. Okay. So these all problems you are solving using one application in seconds. Okay. So this was the problem. For solving all those problems, we have some technology. We built what scientists, you can say engineers, you can say build something, and one concept is there. That's meaning of what? Full stack. Build application over there. So application has different types. Like you can just say some applications called here web application. Okay. Some applications called here desktop application. Okay. Some applications called here what? Web application you can say, desktop application you can say, Android application you can say. Android means what? Whatever application you needs here, mobile phone. Okay. Android operating system. Okay. Web application is what? Whatever computer, whatever application needs here.
Your voice is very low, sir.
My voice is very low. Okay. Okay, wait a minute. We have different types of application. I hope you understood over there.
Yeah.
What? Such type of application which needs here internet and which will run on browser. Which will run on browser. That application called here what? Web application. Web application is what? Which is running on your computer, like needs any operating system like Windows or Linux or all those things. You can say means what? It will run on desktop, like your MS Office. You can take the example of that desktop application here. MS Word you are using, MS Excel you are using, all this type of application called here what? Desktop application. Android application you know very well, which will run on your mobile phone, which needs their mobile over here. So that is your what? Android application. We have different like banking application, gaming application, different type of application. But basically we have three types of application. That is your what? Web application. Okay. After completing our course, this Java full stack, we will be able to build any web type of application here. Any web application you can make. Okay.
Right.
Okay. And don't think like that. You can build a desktop application also, Android also, but for that things you need some extra technology that you can understood after completing this course. You will be you need only 1 month. In 1 month you will learn how can you convert your web application in a desktop application or Android application like that. Okay. You will be learn about that. But after completing this our full stack course, our full stack session, we will be able to build any web application like your any e-commerce site. You can take the example like your Amazon.com. Okay, you can build a copy of this Amazon.com also, or Flipkart you have, or Miso you have. Means what? We have different types of application. Any type of application you can take the example and you can build over there. I hope it is clear. So first thing is here what we need to understood about the meaning of full stack, because it is very important in your course. What is there full stack? So first we need to understood about the meaning of full stack. A stack means what, you know? What's the meaning of a stack here?
Not really.
Okay, if you don't have, don't worry, I'll just explain you. A stack means what? Some process you can say. Simply you can say some process, some steps you can say. Okay, one by one. A stack means yes, a step simply you can say. So there are basically 3 stacks inside your full stack. Okay. Full stack means what? You will be learn basically 3 stacks. What's the meaning of 3 stack over there? 3 stack you can say, or 3 layer you can say. What is these 3 layers over there? This is the simply you can say this is the layer of any application. If you are talking about any full stack application, yes. So if you are talking about any full stack application, you will be have 3 layers. How many layers? 3 layers.
3 layers.
This is your first layer. Okay. And first layer called here what? Frontend.
Frontend.
The name of first layer? Frontend. We'll discuss about the meaning of frontend. Second layer is what? Second layer called here what?
Backend.
Okay. And one more layer we have. That's name here what?
Database.
Database. Right. So what's the meaning of all these things? Frontend, backend, and database. Suppose someone asking you what the meaning of full stack, you can simply say it is a combination of 3 layers. That is your what? Frontend, backend, and database. If any application has frontend, backend, and database, simply you can say that application is your what? Full stack application.
Full stack.
What is that? Full stack application. Okay. In your daily life already you are using full stack application like Instagram, Facebook, okay, Twitter, WhatsApp, anything if you are using, you are already using this all applications over here, all these type of full stack applications. So now we need to understand about the meaning of this 3 layer. Okay. What's the meaning of full stack here? Full stack meaning is just simply you can just say what is that? This is a combination of frontend, backend, and database. Okay. Now we need to understand about the meaning of frontend here. What's the meaning of frontend? Have you any idea? What's the meaning of frontend here?
Frontend, whatever we see on the screen, like if you are using any example Amazon, okay, the screen we are seeing the content, the HTML part and CSS part of the websites, like which the users are interacting, and we can see on the screens the UI UX we can say.
Yes, very good. Means what? Simply you can say whatever in front of me or whatever in front of you, that is your what? Frontend. That is your what? Frontend. Simply you can say it's a
frontend.
User interface of application.
Yes.
What is it? User interface. Frontend is your user interface for user. Means what? It is the interface for user. Means user will interact with this part only. This part only. But user will interact with this part only. But so many things happens inside backend. Have you think when you are using any application, like you can just take the example of Amazon.in, you know, Amazon.in or Amazon.com. If you are taking this example, what you are using only one side that is displaying on your mobile phone. Here are so many textual content, images, okay, and so many products you have. What you are doing? You are first selecting your product and you are getting one option, buy now option. What you are getting? Buy now option. You are getting this buy now button. You are getting when you are clicking over here, immediately you are getting one more content, one more interface. That interface, what you are getting for making payment, all those things, for adding your address and adding your mobile number, all those things you are adding over there, and then you are getting one payment interface over there. Okay. So here you are selecting the payment method. If you want to pay by through using your UPI or net banking or cash on delivery, you want all those things you are selecting, and you are clicking on what? Place order. Also you are clicking on place order. It's placed your order, and after some time or whatever expected delivery date over there, you are getting your order at your door. So how all these things happens over here? You are using only front end of the application. But have you think in backend what's happened over there? How that application knows your address? How application get your message over there? How delivery boy assigned to deliver your product over there? Okay. How any dealer or any shopkeeper know you have ordered this product for your this address? Okay. All those things happens internally over here. No? Am I audible?
Yes.
Yes. So have you think how all these things happens over there? You are just you have used just a front end of that application. You have just clicked on buy now. You made the payment. Who verify that your payment is successful or not? Who verify that your order got successfully placed here or not? Okay, everything. Why? Because of backend.
Backend. Okay.
As of now, I'm taking this example, or just come over here on this interface. Yes, from your front end, you have used interface and you perform some operations over there, perform some activity over here. After your activity, on your every activity, backend just to get instruct over there. Okay, backend getting instructions when you are clicking on buy now button, when you are making the payment, your backend only verify that. Backend only verify that your payment got successfully happens here or not. If your payment failed, then your order will not place. Like that. Right. Backend is handling all those things. Means you can just say without backend, your application will nothing. Your application will nothing. Means what? Simply you can say backend means what? It is the brain of any application. Okay. It is the brain of application. Why I'm telling you brain of application? Because backend only can take the decision here. Only can take the decision here. Means what? You are performing any order over there, then your order got successfully placed here or not. It will when it will deliver. Okay. And after that delivery, it will show over there it's delivered or not. Everything it will handle. Who will handle? Backend will handle. And you know very well what's the meaning of database here. Database means what? Database means simply it will store all your data. Okay? Data is very, very important. You know very well. You have also your data. Some data are what? Sensitive data. Some data are shareable data. Sensitive data. Do you want to share here? No. No. You will never want to share your sensitive data over there, like your banking data over there or your personal data, whatever things over there. You will never want to share that. So data is very, very important in your computer field, in your IT field. Also, data is so important, and it's called here what? It is the new oil of IT world. New oil of IT world. Like suppose you have a bike. That bike is running on petrol. Without petrol, can you run this bike? No, you can't run this bike over here like that. Same without data, your IT industry will not run over here. Okay, it is nothing without data here. Everything is not data. The company is selling data also. Okay, sometimes you heard about that. Also, one message came over there. Facebook selling the data of users here. Okay, it's selling the data of user. It's selling to someone like any person. It sell the data of some person's any basic personal details over there, like photo, all those things. Have you heard about that? Okay, it's what this data will sell very costly over there. In crores, you can earn if you have the important data over there. Understood this or not? Suppose India has as of now some basic important data over there, and if any other country got the data of India, sensitive data of India, then that country can war on this India here. Understood this or not? Attack on India here because that country knows about this country here. Understood this or not? Right, understood. Yes. So data, all those data you will store inside database, but how you will secure that? Again, you can say that is what? Backend. Because of backend, you can secure your data. If you don't have backend, your data also can install it over here. I hope it is clear. So everything is interconnected. Everything is interconnected. If you have front end, if you have backend, if you have database, simply you can say you have the full stack application. Full stack application. It's connected to each other. Means front end also connected with backend. Backend also connected with database. Very important thing is here what? Backend. Without backend, like that in a person, in a human, what is the very important thing here? I am just treating this. Suppose this is a human. This is a human over here, and this human is also an application. Okay. Yes. You can just imagine this. Human is also an application. So now can you tell me what the front end of human is? Front end of human is what? What were the eye over there for this human? Okay. Mouth of human. Okay. Nose of human. Understood? The skin of human. All these things are what? Front end. All these things are what? Front end. Means what? Part for another person here. Got it? Okay. What's the meaning of backend? Now suppose you are telling this person is staying on the 5th floor of any building over here. Okay, where is the 5th floor of any building over here, and you are telling, just jump from here, jump from here. This person will tell you what? This person will tell? What this person will tell? Am I audible? Yeah, now you are audible. Yeah. In middle, the voice are breaking now, so that's why I'm not able to understand the whole sentence. Okay. No, just today manage this from our next day. We'll solve this problem. Okay. Yeah, sure, no problem. Okay. So see here, this person is getting what? This person is staying on 5th floor of any building here. Okay. And you are telling just jump from here. What this person will tell you? No, I will not jump. Yes, that person will tell what? Are you looking mad over here? Why I will jump over here? If I will jump, then what will happen? The story got end over here. Okay, the story got end over here. So why this person is saying like that? Because this person has brain. This person has brain. This person know very well whatever instructions you are giving. If this person will follow that instructions, this person's story will end. Okay. Why? Because of data. Because of data. This person know very well. Jump means what? I need to jump down over here. If I will jump here, then this person know very well what will happen. So this person will immediately told you, I will not do this. I will not do this.
Not do this.
Why? Because of brain here. Because of brain here. So brain means what? It is the backend. Means what? This person is able to take the decision. That is your what? Backend. Frontend means eye, nose, hand, leg, skin, all those things your frontend. But brain is what? Brain is backend over there. Now you will ask what the meaning of the database here. Now suppose I am taking your example and I am just asking to you, what's your name? What you will tell immediately? You will tell your name. I will just ask you, what's your father's name? You will immediately tell your father's name. Okay.
Right.
Mobile number, what's your Aadhaar number? Immediately you will tell. Why? Because all these things are stored in your brain over there. Okay.
Right.
I'm asking here, what's your father's Aadhaar number? You remember?
Right.
You remember? What's your father's Aadhaar number?
No.
You don't know. You will tell, sir, I don't know it. I need to check it. Why you are telling like that?
It may be
memory.
Yeah.
The data is not present in your memory. That is your database. Means what? In your database, you are storing your all important data.
Right.
This is the meaning of full stack over here. I hope you have I'm clear about this all application, all different layers. Okay.
Right. Yeah. Understood.
Understood? No? Okay.
Yeah.
Now just come over here again. What meaning of full stack? Full stack means what? Basically three layers of application here. That is your what? Front end, back end, and database. Now we'll discuss one by one. You understood about how we need to understood. How can you build your front end? How can you build your front end? How can you build your backend of application? And how can you build your database of application? Okay. Now come over here. In your computer science, in your IT world, if you want to make front end of any application here, you have some technology.
Right.
To use that, and you can using that, you can build that type of application here. Right. Okay. So now just say here, but front end is there. If you want to build any front end of application, you have required application. You have some required skills over there, technology over there. The technology name is what?
HTML, CSS,
and
JavaScript.
This is the basic technology. We have some more different type of technology over there, but basic HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Any type of front end you can build, right? Any type of front end you can build over here. Front end means what? Whatever user will interact over there. Yes, that the layer you can build using this very basic technology that's called here what? HTML,
CSS, and JavaScript.
Some more technologies here like React and Angular here. Got it or no?
Yeah, got it.
So what's the meaning of React here? Simply you can say it is the library. It is the
library.
It is the library of. It is a library of JavaScript, you can say, and it is the framework of JavaScript. What's the difference between libraries and framework over there? We'll learn. We'll discuss about that later. But if you want to build any front end over here, you have three basic required applications. Three basic required skills. Its name is what? HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Right? Yes. If you know these three basic technology over there, easily you can build your front end. I hope it is clear. Okay.
Yeah.
Now the question is, how can you build your backend? Okay. If you want to build your backend means what? Brain of application. If you want to build the brain of application, you have the required technology. One technology is there. Its name is what? That name is what? Programming language. What is that? Programming language. You can use any programming language over here to build any backend. If you are using here Java, you can use here Java. Okay. If you are using here Java, then your application called here what? Java full stack. What is it called? Java full stack. Okay. Java full stack, you know very well. Full stack means what? Front end, backend, and database. But now you are using your backend using Java, so you can say this is your what? Java full stack.
Java full stack.
Yes. But if you are using here Python, then you can say this is the Python full stack. Okay. Any programming language. This is the programming language. We have different type of programming language. If you are using any programming language like Java, if you are using Java, then you can say Java full stack. If you are using Python, you can say here what? Python full stack.
Python full stack.
So like that, you can use all these things: front end, backend, and database. I hope it's clear. For building our backend, we will use here what? Java, because you have installed here for Java full stack. So we'll learn here Java to build our backend here. Clear? Okay. Here some more things are there. Not only programming language you will use. Here are some frameworks. Frameworks means what? Frameworks means simply you can say it is the implemented solution of any problem. Implemented solution of any problem means what? It will make you fast. It will make you fast. It will give you more security over there. Understood? No? So simply you can build your backend using Java also. But if you are using frameworks, then it will make you fast. It will give you more security. Okay. And it's also demand in your market over there. So what frameworks we will learn here? We will learn here Spring Framework. What we learn? Spring Framework and Spring Boot. Okay. Both will understood over here. So these frameworks over here, we'll learn about these things, how we can solve all those things. And some more things we'll learn like JDBC, okay, like servlet over there, like Hibernate over there. All those things we'll understood about in backend. Okay. Got it?
Okay.
Now come to your database. Yeah. In this database, what we'll learn? In database, we will learn how can you manage your data. Okay, here you will store the data. And for storing the data, you need to communicate with the database over here. If you want to communicate with database, you have required one language. That language name is what? SQL. What is the name of that language?
SQL.
What's the meaning of SQL here? Structured query language. Got it? So this is the language only. But for manage all these things, we need a software. We need a software. What's the name of that software? The name of software is what? DBMS. What is that? DBMS. database management system. This is the software, and this software has different type of software. Like we will use here MySQL. This is the software of TBMS. What is
Okay.
What is this?
MySQL.
This is the software. We will use this. Okay. We have what SQL server. SQL server. You can use this software also. You have Oracle. Okay. You have MongoDB. Means what different type of software we have. But here what we will use? Here we will use here MySQL. MySQL. So in your entire journey of Java full stack, you will learn all these technologies like HTML, CSS, JavaScript. React overview. Okay. Means what? You will get the knowledge of React. That much knowledge you will get. After that, you can learn by yourself. You can do all those things. Okay. So the things you will get of React here. So you will learn all this technology. Here you will learn Java, all frameworks, and this MySQL over here. Okay. If you know all these technologies over here, then you will be able to build any type of application. Is what any full stack application you will be eligible to build. Okay. Like if you want to make the clone of Amazon here, you can make that. You can make the clone of Netflix. At least your Netflix is also using in backend Java only. But you know, so Java is very secure language here. We will verify this also how it's secure. Why we are telling this is the secure language. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, so I hope you don't have any doubt here. If you have, you can ask. This is the stack we will learn in our entire journey of full stack. All this technology we will learn, but first we'll start from Java. From Java we'll start here, okay? And parallelly we'll start all this stack here, one by one, right?
Okay, yeah, got it.
So you have any question or doubt? You can ask.
Sorry?
Have you any doubt until here?
No, all good till now.
Good now? Okay.
Yeah.
So now just see, I hope you understood here the meaning of full stack. And then in our starting of the session, we will start from where? From the backend. From the backend. For backend, we need a programming language, you know very well. Okay. Right. And here we will use the programming language that's name is what? Java. So Java. What is Java? Simply you can say, sir, this is the programming language. Okay?
Programming language.
This is the programming language. Okay. Then now see one more thing in front of me. What is that? One word I have written that's name is what? Programming language. Again, we need to understand about the meaning of programming language. What's the meaning of programming? What's the meaning of language? And what's the meaning of programming language? Clear?
Okay. Yeah.
As of now, just forget you are the student of computer science. Okay. Just come in your real world, and in your real world, now just explain the meaning of language. What is language?
Language can be like any language which we are using on a daily basis to communicate.
Purpose is what? To use this language?
Communicate.
Communicate. Very good.
Yeah.
Communicate. Okay. You are using this language to communicate. Communicate with what? Communicate with whom? Communicate with whom?
Communicate with people.
Yes, communicate with people, persons over there. Understood?
Right. Yeah.
Now, suppose this is the language, and you are using this language to communication purpose. Okay. Right. And it is also a language. Java is also a language. Okay. Java is also a language. Programming language. This is means what? You don't think like that we are using this Java here to communicate to someone. Understood? Yeah. Someone in your real life. In your real life, you are using the language to communication purpose. Communication with what? Communication with the people over there. Okay. Yeah. Yes. So here also you don't think like that we are using this Java to communicate to someone. Communicate to someone means what? Communicate with whom? Now you need to tell.
Communicating with computer.
Very good. Communicate with a computer. We will use this language to communicate with computer. Now you can ask yourself, computer with computer, how can you communicate? Okay. Right. And you just tell me first. Just come in your real world. You don't say language we are using for communication purpose. Now you just tell me what language you are using for communication purpose.
English, Hindi.
English, Hindi. Okay, means what in our real world we have different types of languages. Right?
Languages. Yeah.
Yes. Now you just tell me. You are from Maharashtra, right?
Right.
Yes. And how many languages you know in your real world?
English, Hindi, Marathi, Urdu. 4 languages.
English, Hindi, Marathi, and
Urdu.
Telugu.
Urdu.
Urdu, you know. Okay.
Yeah.
You know Kannada?
No, I don't know.
You know Telugu?
No, I don't know.
You don't know. Okay. Yeah. Or just leave this. Suppose you are from India, and India's basic language is here what? Hindi. Okay.
Hindi.
You can't say India's basic language. There are so many local languages over there. But as of now, I'm just taking the example of Hindi over here, right? Indian peoples know here Hindi. Okay. This is the Indian people. I suppose you are from India. You know only as of now, just suppose think like that. You know only one language. That language is what?
Hindi.
That language is what? Hindi. Okay. Now suppose for any region or for any purpose, you meet one person. He is from China. He's from China. And that person knows only Chinese language.
Right.
You know any Chinese language here? No.
No.
This person know any Hindi language? No.
No.
For any region, you both meet over here. And this communication is very, very important. This communication is very, very important.
Very important.
Okay. Means you have a meeting over here. Suppose this meeting is very, very important. So now you just tell me, you are Indian people and you know Hindi here. This is the Chinese people. Okay. This person knows your Chinese language. And now you want to communicate. Now just tell me any possibility here to communicate that?
No, we can't communicate if we
don't
know.
Why? Yeah. Because we don't have any common language here.
Yeah.
Common language means what? Whatever language you will understand, whatever language this person
will understand.
But
yeah.
If you will tell in Hindi something, this person will not get anything. This person is telling in Chinese, Hong Kong, over here, you will not get anything. So means what? Means simply you can say communication not happen here. Clear?
Right. Clear.
Okay. But what I told you what? This meeting is very, very important.
Very important.
Very, very important. Then what solution you will keep here? Or you will communicate?
Then maybe I need a translator.
Yes, very good.
Who can
You have
translate?
translator. Basically,
Yeah.
you have two things. Basically, you have two solutions over here. First solution is what? Either you learn Chinese or
Chinese.
this person will learn Hindi.
Hindi.
Okay. So, but this process will take too much time. At least 6 months it will take to learn any language over here. Clear?
Right.
Clear? Yes. But we don't have the time because it's very, very important. So you will tell, I need a translator. I need a translator. Or mediator, you can say. Okay. Or a mediator, you can say. So you can take the help of any third person. This is the third person. Clear? This is the third person over here. And this third person knows Hindi language also.
And Chinese also.
Chinese language also. Okay. So now what you will do? You will tell whatever instructions you want to give to this person. You will tell directly to this third person here. This third person will take your instructions, whatever you have given. Now this person will translate that in Chinese here, and then it will give to whom? This Chinese people over here. Understood this or not? Now these people will do what? These people will get these instructions. It will process it, and it will again response you directly. It will respond to you or this third person. This Chinese people will
respond to that mediator or
respond to this mediator, or you can say third person.
Translator.
This person will take again your instructions, whatever instructions is there, and then it will give back to you. Then this communication will happen. Right now, like that same problem here also. Why we need a programming language? First, we need to understand here. What's the meaning of programming? We'll understand that also. But first, we need to understand about here what's the meaning of why we need here programming. So now you told, sir, you just tell me if you want to build any full stack application here, first thing what you need required. First thing.
Sorry.
Suppose you are planning to build any application here, okay? Any full stack application. First thing, what you required?
Any language on which we can.
Before language, build. First basic thing here. What you required? How you will build that? First thing is required what? Computer.
Yeah.
Clear? First thing you need here computer. If you have computer, then only you can build that. If you don't have, how you will build that? How you will try to build this? How you will communicate with software? Okay, no? So you need your computer. And now you know what's the language of computer here. What is the language of computer? What is this computer? First, we need to understand about that. What's the meaning of computer here? Do you know what's the meaning of computer here?
Not really.
What is computer?
Computer, we can say, is a machine.
Very good. It is the machine, but not a normal machine. It is your what? Electronic machine.
Electronic machine.
Electronic machine. Electronic machine is what? It will run using what? Electricity.
Electricity.
Without electricity, it can run. It cannot run. Okay.
Not
so it needs what? It needs two things. That is your what? One is what? High voltage. Second is what? Low voltage. Both are important here. Both are important. Here. This what? In general language, you are telling main current and earth current. You are telling here, no? Yes, plus minus. Means what? High voltage means 1, low voltage means 0. This is your electronic machine, and this machine needs this over here. Okay. So you will give here what? Either high voltage or low voltage.
Or low voltage.
You can say it's take 1, either 1 or 0. Either 1 or 0 over here. And this is your what? Binary number. What is it?
Binary number. Yeah.
Binary number. And what's the language here? Language you can say machine language. What is the language? Language is machine language, and that is your what? Binary number.
Binary.
0 or 1. Okay. So computer can understand only and only two things. That is what? Either 0 or 1. Nothing else. This is the computer language, machine language. Okay. Now you are going to make or you are going to develop an application here using this computer. This is the developer. This is the developer. This developer wants to build an application using this computer. Computer know your machine language. Okay.
Right.
And this person know your high level language. You can say. What is, you can say high level language. That means whatever high level language is there, that means what? Whatever humans can understand here. Just like in the English, all those things. Okay. Now you just tell me. This person know English. As of I'm taking the example of English. This person know English, and this computer know only machine language.
Machinery.
Clear? Okay. So you tell me again, is communication is possible? Will communication possible here?
No.
No. And if communication is not possible, then now you just tell me this person can build any application here?
No.
No. So why communication not possible? Because this person know English, this person know machine language. 0 and 1. So if this person wants to communicate with this computer over here, person needs to pass the instruction in form of 0 and 1. But this person doesn't know the meaning of this what machine language over here. How this person will communicate with that? This is a very, very big problem. Okay. Like that, whatever example we have took previously, that same problem came over here.
Okay. Right.
To solving this problem. Again, we need here what? A third person. That third person is what?
Programming language.
Programming language. The third person is here. Programming language. We will take the help of programming language to solve this problem. Which problem? Communication problem.
Communication problem.
Yes. So here we have in our computer world different type of so many programming languages like that. C, C++, Python, Java.
Right.
Okay. Java over there. So many programming languages we have. You can use any one. So we will understood about this all the meanings of means what. Here we will take the. First, I'm just taking the example of Java. We will take the help of Java, that is your third person. We'll do what? We will give the instructions, whatever things you want to tell to your computer. You will tell to this Java. Java will take your high-level language. It will convert it into the form of 0 and 1. It will pass to the computer, and communication will possible over here. Okay. So we'll discuss this deeply about the meaning of Java here. How Java will help you to communicate with both you have. Okay, with you and with this computer. Okay. We will understood that, but not in today's session. We'll learn all those things in our next session here. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, so in our next session, we'll learn deeply about the meaning of Java over here and what's the difference between C, C++, Python, and Java.
Python, Java.
And if we have C language, if we have C++, then why we are using Java? Why Python? Why we have different type of programming languages over here? What's the meaning of programming here? Okay, all those things we'll discuss, but not into this session, in our next session. Okay. Okay. So we have started now just Java here, and today we have understood the basic concept of your full stack. What's the meaning of full stack here? What technologies you will learn in this entire course? Okay, and what the meaning of language over here? And so many things we have discussed. In our next session, we'll learn the difference between C, C++, Python, Java. If we have one programming language, then why we need another programming language here? Okay, why we are learning Java? How Java is different to all other programming languages? All those things we'll discuss. But in our next session, until here, if you have any doubt, you can ask. Otherwise, I will end the meeting here.
Okay, so till now, all good. I understood everything, whatever you teach me today. Yeah, so I don't have any doubt. If you have any, like we can say homework type or assignment that I can, learn meanwhile, because we have tomorrow the next session, so I can learn something today that can be helpful for tomorrow's session, or helpful for my full stack development course. So I can, like, the wasting of time is not really good. So I can learn something on my own. If you can say me, okay, go and explore these things for you to understand.
Online, right?
Okay.
Yeah.
Now
you will join the session online, right?
Yeah, I will join the session online for now, like for 3 months or 3.5 or 5.
Okay.
And then I can move depending on the situation. So I can move to the Bangalore for the last month.
Okay. When we will, you can join the session. Okay. One thing more, just clear that things. Okay. Your class time is 9 a.m. right?
Yeah.
Sometimes because my time is here also 9 to 6. Okay, I'm working here 9 to 6. Clear? So because of all those things. So don't worry about that things. Every day your class will happen, but sometimes it will start on 9:05 or 9:10 over there. So don't worry about that. You can just join your meeting at 9:05 or 9:10. Wait 5 or 10 minutes. Wait for 9:15 or 9:20 over there. If I'm letting miss what I didn't start until 9:20, then you can just message in the WhatsApp group. You will get the information about it. Okay. Every day you will get all those things, but most of the things only will start the session at 9:10 every day. Okay.
Okay. I'll be available on time every day. For sure. Yeah. Can I know your name, sir? Full name?
Yes, my name is Champion Kumar.
Okay, Champion Kumar. Yeah. Nice to meet you, sir. Hoping to learn so many things from you.
So how was the class? You are understanding or not?
Yeah, I'm understanding, to be honest. The clarity, whatever you have explained me today in depth, the concepts that I'm understanding very well. Okay,
so you will get every topic in depth only. Okay. So now just come to your assignments over there. Okay. You will have your everyday assignment, not one day assignment. Clear?
Okay.
And just note it down. What will your everyday assignment? See here.
Okay.
Everyday assignment is what? Whatever I will teach you, whatever topics you will learn in your class. Okay. On that topic, every day you need to research. You need to research. After the class, whatever topics you learn, today you learn about the language, today you learn about the meaning of full stack over here, today you learn the meaning of programming over there. Okay. All those things, all these topics you need to research by yourself. You have the internet. Okay. And most of the important thing, you have the GPT. Okay. Are you using a ChatGPT?
Yeah, I'm using it.
So you have the GPT over here. Every day, after learning in your session, every day you need to research on internet or research on GPT. After researching on that, you need to make your notes by yourself. What is this point? Just mention the topic. Handwritten notes I'm taking. Telling over here, not computer comprised note. Okay. Handwritten notes you need to make every day. You need to make on particular topics, whatever topics you will learn in the class. Okay. Today you learned one topic, so only one topic you need to make the notes by yourself. But after researching on that, okay, and after making the notes, again you need to do one thing. You need to tell to your ChatGPT. What you will tell to your ChatGPT? Suppose you learned about the meaning of full stack. Got it?
Right.
You have research on that, you made your notes. After that, you need to tell to ChatGPT. ChatGPT, give me all possible interview questions with this topic full stack over here. Right? Then ChatGPT will provide you so many interview questions over there. All possible, don't forget to write this thing. Okay? All possible interview questions. So you will get that. First, try to answer by yourself. Okay? If you are not able to answer by yourself, then you can note all those questions also. Then you can do two things. One thing is what? From ChatGPT itself, you can ask the answer of that question. Otherwise, in your next session, you can ask in your class. Got it this point or not?
Yeah, got it.
And you need to prepare for your interview questions from first day only. Okay. You need to every day you need to find the interview questions from ChatGPT. You note it down inside your notebook, and how you will answer it in your interview. All those things you have to prepare over there. You can tell to your GPT, just give me the answer of this question, interview friendly or human friendly. Then it will provide you the answer human friendly over there. Okay, not AI friendly, right?
Yeah.
Yes. So like this every day, this is your everyday assignment over here. You need to do that. After completing this notes, means every day. Today, whatever you have learned, you made the notes. After making that notes, you need to say it in your WhatsApp. Got it this point or not? Take the picture of your notes, share it in WhatsApp. Every day assignment this is. Before joining your next session, this assignment you should complete over there every day. Clear?
Okay.
So this is the assignment, or any assignments. You will get some assignments in your group also. I will share some PDF over there with the questions over there. There you will get some questions. All those things you need to solve over there. Whatever assignments you will get, every assignments you need to share in your WhatsApp group every day. This is the everyday assignment, so I will not repeat it. You can just clear?
Okay, clear.
Yes. So now anything else? If you have in your mind any doubt, any question, you can ask. Otherwise, I will end the session.
So we will learn all these things, whatever you have taught, like front end, back end, and the database in 4 months, or how much time it will take, you know?
Yes, so it depends on you. Suppose if, what's your learning process over here, how much you are understanding. Okay, if what you want in-depth content over here, or you want only job-oriented content over here, then I can decide how much time it will take. So what do you want? You want only in-depth content here?
Yeah, as frankly talking, like I want in-depth understanding, and also I'm ready to give extra effort. If you can say, if I learn these things, okay, learn this much on the daily basis, learn for 2 hours, do coding for 2 hours on the daily basis, so you can learn so fast, as you don't know anything, so you have to learn so many things also, and you have to get ready for the job also. Okay, as I have experience in some other field, so I don't have that much as a fresher. I don't have that much time of to take 7 or 6 months or 8 months to get the job, as I have some I have some responsibilities also of my family. So I just wanted to learn so fast, and I wanted to get a job. So I'm ready to give my 100%, because whole day I will be free only. So it's not only I have 2 hours in a day, to study. So just guide me the roadmap. Okay, fine. Give you 4 hours on the daily basis. Do 2 hours this, do 2 hours this, and you will be ready for the job, or you will be learn everything in 3 months or whatever. So I'm ready to give my 200%. Just give me a guidance, and I will follow that. And yeah, we can crack an interview.
Yeah, I can understand. Don't worry. Now just see here. You also said how much time it will take. It depends on you. Okay.
Yeah.
Basically, it will take here. See here. We have started from today Java here, right? And we will learn the Java in 3 parts. Okay, not 3 parts, 4 parts you can say.
Okay.
First part will what? First part will learn about the fundamentals. Fundamentals of Java. Here we'll learn all those things like variable data type, typecasting method. Okay, loop over there. All those things will complete over here. Second part will what? Second part will call here what? OOP. Okay. In second part we'll learn here OOP over there. And after completing this OOP, we will move to one framework over here. That's name is what? Collection framework. Clear?
Okay.
We'll learn here collection framework, and you can simply say this is the heart of your core Java part. Heart of core Java part. So it is very, very important here. We'll learn that. After learning this, we will move to advanced Java. Got it? Advanced Java here, and after learning this advanced Java, we'll move again the world of frameworks here. And here we'll learn so many frameworks like JDBC, okay, like Servlet, like Hibernate, like Spring Boot, all those things we'll learn here. So now the question is how much time it will take. Okay, this is your 4 parts, 2 to 4. Basically, this is the 5 parts over here. Okay, we'll learn that. Don't worry. See, fundamentals will complete in 1 month. Clear?
Okay.
1 month it will take, right? And then if you will talk about OOP concept will also take 20 to 25 days.
Okay.
Clear? Okay. Now come over here to collection. Collection will take 15 to 20 days.
Okay.
Okay. Come to your advanced Java. Advanced Java you will learn also 15 to 20 days or 20 to 25 days, you can say. Got it?
Okay.
20 to 25 days will complete our advanced Java. Then if you will talk about the frameworks will take here at least 1 month.
Okay.
Got it? So 1 month you can say, or not calculate this in months. Fundamentals simply you can say here we will learn 25 hours you can say. Okay, 20 to 25 hours it will took to complete our front end fundamentals over here. That's why I told you what 1 month.
1 month.
20 hours. This one you can say OOP you can say 20 hours. Okay. The collection frameworks also you can say 15 to 20 hours. And advanced Java also it will take this what, like suppose this will took 1 month. Okay, this will took 20 to 25 days. So in 2 months we will try to complete both. Okay, OOP and collection. So how much time it's happened? 3 months, right? And over here advanced Java and frameworks will take 1 month. It will take 1 month like that. 4 and 4.5 months.
Okay.
It will take to complete your entire Java. Clear? Clear now? So you can just think like that it will take 5 months. Okay. But if you want to complete it in 4 months only, the class will Monday to Friday. Clear? But on Saturday, we'll do what? We'll took the sessions like 3 to 4 hours. Understood? Okay. Sometimes 4 to 5 hours also.
You're audible.
Yes. So we will took the session on Saturday like this 3 to 4 hours, 4 to 5 hours for completing our sessions, for completing our course fastly. Right? Okay. So we'll do all those things. And following this way over here, we'll complete our session in 4 to 5 months. Max to max 5 months it will take, and it will complete over there in depth. In depth content you will get it. Okay. Then you will ask what about here front end? Sorry, yes, front end. This is the concept of backend here. So what about what about this courses over here, this technology over here? So for front end here we will start. See, as of now we'll start here Java only. Got it? After 1 week, parallelly we'll start our front end also. Got it? Okay. And front end will take here 10 to 15 days. It will take here HTML, and 10 days means what? 1 month. In 1 month, we'll complete our HTML and CSS. Got it? Okay. And 1 month also it will take to complete our JavaScript. So 2 months we will spend here. Okay. So then 2 months we'll manage in this part only, because parallelly we'll continue the session here. Clear? Okay. Clear? Okay. And then database. We'll start the database when we will started to learn about the JDBC here. Okay. Okay. This one. Because when we'll start the JDBC, that time we have to require this database here. Database. Without database, you can't learn your JDBC here. So at the same time, before starting JDBC, before starting 15 to 20 days before, we will start your database. So you will not get any aspect over there to learning your JDBC. Right?
Got it.
Yes. So this will be the way to learn our entire full stack course over here. So most of the things you can say 4 to 5 months. Okay, max to max 5 months, but minimum 4 months is required. Clear? Okay, got it. Clear? No? Yes. So like this we'll learn here, and don't worry about that. Now, if you will talk about my interview preparation, all those things. So if you will follow my every day assignment here, what assignment I have given? What assignment time given? Every day you need to make the notes. Every day you need to find the interview questions. Every day you need to prepare on that. Okay. And one more thing, if you are able to do, you can do all those things. What you need to do, see, whatever interview questions you got it. Then just open your laptop or open your mobile phone, open the camera, just start the recordings and answer the question. Okay. Record yourself. After that, listen yourself only. Where you are making the mistake, just correct that using GPT, using your class, or you can ask with me also. Means anyway, you need to follow that. Got this point or not?
Got it.
Yes. So like that, if you will prepare, then you will be got placed easily over there in 4 to 5 months. Otherwise, it will make the issue over here.
Okay.
Yes. Now, if you have any issue or you need to doubt here, you can ask. Otherwise, I will end the session.
Yeah. All good.
All good?
Yeah, all good. Thank you.
Okay then.